Open WhatsApp on your smartphone. Go to a chat or conversation. Now tap this sticker icon. In here, select Create to create a new animated sticker from a video. And now from your gallery, go ahead and select the video. I'm selecting this video for example. And now you can crop the video. You can select a different part just like this to make a animated sticker. Tap on done. And here we can see the preview. Now if you want, you can add some emojis or sticker to your sticker. You can resize this sticker just like this. You can write a text. You can also draw something just like this. Once you are happy, tap on done. Now just tap this send option. And we can see the animated sticker successfully created using a video. Now on, whenever you go to any conversation, you can just tap this sticker icon and here you will find the animated sticker. Thanks for watching.